What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. As you can tell by the title, this is a how-to video. I had planned to come out to an open spot where it was like kind of in the middle of nowhere, but I did not know it was like residents in the area. So yeah, we're going to make this quick. I only do maybe only do 2 pulls doing the LC. So if you didn't see the title somehow, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do launch control on the Yamaha R1. Now this does work for the 2015, 2016, and 2017. I'm pretty sure it works for the 2018, 19 too, but don't take my word on that. But it actually took me a while to actually figure out how to do this. Me and my buddy Dale took a minute to figure it out. So, and if you go on YouTube to type in how to do launch control, you don't really see too many people doing launch control. Like, they'll do launch control, but they don't show you step by step the process of doing like how to get launch control. So I'm going to be showing you guys that today. Why is this up? All right, so first thing you want to do, hopefully this is coming through clear. Go ahead and turn your bike on. All right, and as you see at the top, all I have is the quick shifter. In mode A, power 1, TC on 1, and SCS is off. SCS is slide control, TCS is traction control. Now you do have a mode button right here, and you have a menu scroll button right there. You're gonna need both of those. So first you wanna go into your YRC settings, so hold your scroll button, and then go down to where you see YRC. Click it, and as you see, you got power, TCS, SCS, LCS, QSS, and LIF. Now LSC is your launch control. That is the one that you're going to want to turn on. So if you try to just go on and turn on like I did, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to go to 1 or 2, doesn't really matter. We're going to go to 1, and as you see, it still says off, right? So the trick is you have to have your lift control on. So lift control is like wheelie control, and I have it on off, of course. So you're going to want to turn that on to 1 or 2. It doesn't really matter. Turn it on to either one. Just make sure it's not off. And then go back to LCS. As you see, it lights up now. So click on LCS and go to 1. Boom, it's on, right? So go back out. And as you see, it's at the top now. You know, at first it was just QS. Now you have QS, LIF, and I'm not sure why that's not. There it goes, LCS. So right now it's on, but it's not activated. So to activate it, you have to hit your mode button right here. And if, watch this, when I hold the mode button, hold it, see it turns colors. And then it's supposed to look like that. That's how you know it's actually on. So like if I were to start the bike up right now and just hold the throttle, it will stop at 10,000 RPMs. How to turn it down to like 8 or 7, I have no clue. So if you guys know how to do that, let me know down in the comments, but I haven't quite figured that out yet. I don't know if you hear all the cars passing by. But yeah, even if you go to LCS 2, it still revs out to 10,000. I don't know why it goes so high, but that's it. So on the LCS launch control system, come on, blur up. All right. So on the LCS system, well, LCS launch control, it does stay like that. So like I just turned my key off. Once I turn my key back on, it will still be up there at the top. The only way you can turn it off is if you go back into your YRC settings and turn it off, or just go back to your wheelie control, aka lift control, and just turn that back off. But other than that, it's going to stay on at the top. And anytime, like if you were to leave it on now and just go out and ride, and anytime you want to use it, all you have to do is just hit that mode button, hold it until it turns white like the rest, and then boom, you're ready to go. So like I said, I didn't know it was residents around here. So I'm gonna set my phone up and I'm gonna try to do 2 pulls with the launch control. Keep in mind, this is my first time ever using launch control, so it's gonna be new for me. I'm pretty sure it's pretty simple. If you guys don't know how to use it, you just like launching with your like normal, but instead this time you have like an actual rev limiter, so you can like actually hold the throttle wide open and then just still feather the clutch. Make sure you guys feather the clutch, okay? You can't just rev it up and then dump the clutch. That's not how launch control works. So when you do try this stuff, guys, be safe, be careful, be smart, okay? Feather the clutch and, you know, only do what you feel comfortable. Now, you did see it on there. It had 1 launch control, 1 and 2. I'm not sure what 2 does, because when I tried to do 2, well, not when I tried to do 2, but when I thought that maybe 1 was 10,000 and then mode 2 was maybe like 8K or 7K, but it's also 10,000, so I'm not sure what it does. But again, like I told you guys, if you know how to turn it down to where you don't have to go all the way to 10K, let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna stop talking, and I'm gonna try to do launch control. I'm gonna set my phone up and see what happens, so stay tuned. That's a sheriff. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh boy, what? Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my god. That is nice. Yo. What? Bro, that was nice. That was nice. That was fun, bro. Heck yeah. Real quick, okay. So, while I have you guys on camera, YRC, and then we're gonna go over to launch control and hit launch control. Oops. YRC. Launch control. Why is it? And go to 2. I feel like he just did a wheelie. Alright, so now we're on 2. We're gonna just see what that is real quick. Okay, wait a minute. So, holy crap. Okay, so launch control 2 revs all the way out. Did not know that. Oh, wait. I'm tripping. It doesn't rev all the way out. I didn't activate it. Oh my god. It wasn't activated. I didn't activate it. What's up?
There's a clean ass damn black hair.
Appreciate it. I think I might have got your wheelie on camera.
Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
So if you get a chance, check my YouTube channel.
What is it?
Reaper 1K.
Reaper 1K?
Yeah.
Alright,
You should see it on there soon. Heck yeah. Let me know if you get another one of y'all.